everyone. It's with a great privilege I present this piece to showcase the wonder-working nature of God. My story today centers around God's healing power, and I'm sure you'll be glad you listened. You see, months ago, this very beautiful and God-fearing mother of hers, I thought she would never be able to see the next few seconds of her life. A mommy in here, who was bodily and mentally sound all the while, suddenly wakes up into this reality. What reality, you may ask? Mommy saw herself dressed in total despair. She became full of much sorrows as all the letters of the word stroke has found an expression of completeness around her. See for yourself. But I'm really sure our mom here remembered that God could never ever wish that anyone is destroyed by the wiles of the evil ones. She has won the victory over death, sorrows and calamities thousands of years ago. You know what she did? I'll tell you. She triggered her weapon of faith and shot at her enemies boldly, though she was gradually losing her taste of life as these enemies fought back at her so greatly. She tried harder until God himself showed up. He rebuked her devourers, took away the filthy garment of pain, sickness and reproach, and put on her the garment of wholeness. And here she is, glowing in the beauty of the Lord, with much gratitude unto God, who has replaced death with life and turned the shame into glory. You can check this out. May his name be praised forevermore. Right now, we'll celebrate our mom, having seen another glorious year today. Mommy, every of your wonderful children wish you a happy birthday celebration. Many happy returns, long life and prosperity. Mrs. Patricia, aka Patoranki, I welcome you into a new life of wholeness and greater fulfillment from your one and only beloved poetess Barbara. Cheers!